Clogged gutters aren't just a messy headache, they can lead to thousands of dollars in water damage. But what if one small upgrade could save you time, money, and stress? If you've ever dealt with clogged gutters, you know how frustrating and costly they can be. Today, we're talking about a simple solution that can help protect your home and make your life easier: gutter guards. We'll cover everything you need to know about why gutter guards are essential, how they help protect your home from costly damage, and the long-term value they bring. By the end, you'll understand why investing in gutter guards is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your home. Here's what we'll cover in the next few minutes: how gutter guards help prevent damage and pests, how they can save you time, money, and stress, the pros and cons of gutter guards, and why professional installation matters. Stick with us, and we'll equip you with everything you need to confidently choose the best gutter guards for protecting your home. Gutters are designed to protect your home by directing rainwater away from its foundation. But clogged gutters can lead to serious problems like roof leaks, foundation damage, basement flooding, and even mold. Gutter guards act as a shield, like LeafFilter's advanced micromesh system. They keep leaves and debris out of your gutters while helping to ensure water flows freely. Plus, they help deter pests like mosquitoes and rodents, so you don't have to worry about critters nesting in your gutters. Now, here's a bonus. Imagine saying goodbye to the messy, time-consuming task of cleaning out your gutters. Gutter guards minimize the need for regular maintenance by helping keep debris like leaves and twigs out. This means less hassle for you and hundreds of dollars saved on professional cleanings, all while helping protect your home year-round. Of course, every great solution has its pros and cons. Here's what you need to know to make the best choice for your home. Gutter guards help prevent water damage from overflowing gutters, helping to protect basements, foundations, roofs, and landscaping. They reduce the need for frequent cleaning, saving time and money on professional services, while minimizing the risks of costly repairs, like basement flooding and mold removal, which can cost up to $10,000. And if you choose a high-quality option, like LeafFilter's micro mesh guards, you'll enjoy long-lasting durability and reliable performance that holds up over the years. However, no system is entirely maintenance-free. While gutter guards dramatically reduce maintenance, light debris may need occasional cleaning. And when comparing options, cheaper foam or plastic guards can wear out quickly, meaning you might spend more on replacements in the long run. Premium systems may cost a bit more upfront, but they're built to last and help keep your home protected. With fewer risks, less hassle, and long-term savings, it's easy to see why investing in high-quality gutter guards is a smart move for homeowners. As amazing as gutter guards are, they must be installed properly to work their best. That's where professional installation makes all the difference. Choosing LeafFilter's expert installation means your gutter guards are tailored to your home, helping to ensure efficiency, durability, and year-round performance. With proper professional installation, you're not just adding a product, you're investing in long-term protection. After all, your home deserves nothing less. To sum it up, gutter guards help protect your home from damage, save you time and money, and minimize stress. When installed correctly, they can provide peace of mind for years to come. Gutter guards are more than a home upgrade. They're an investment in protection and convenience. With LeafFilter, you're working with local professionals who know the unique needs of homeowners in your area. Plus, we can complete your installation in as little as 6 hours, so you don't have to wait to start protecting your home. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips. Learn more about our expert gutter installation and award-winning LeafFilter gutter guards at leafhome.com and schedule your free estimate today.